Morning, this is Sri Charan, and I'm going to present my final project. So, ourselves, as we know that our final project has 4 parts, which are Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. And Part 1 is the data visualization graphs. Here, it is asked to present the relationship between students, 15 students. So, here I have taken 15 students and I have created the relationships and I classified them as family relation, close friend, friend and casual relation. Strength depends upon the type of the relation. Here the family relation is the most strongest one. Then comes the close friend and then friend and then casual relation. As here the table of the dataset which I have created. It shows type of relation, people, relationship strength. Casual relation, family, close friend, and friend. The people gives the names, and relationship strength gives the 1, 2, 3, 4 strength. It is as this is the dataset presented in Excel, and now this is going to be presented in a good excellent visualization, and by using the colors and the strengths by connecting them through the lines. And here the relationship between the people is either weak, average, strong or very strong depending upon the line. You can notice that the dashed line is level 1 which is weak, 0.5 T solid line for strength 2 is average, 2 point solid line for strength 3 which is strong, and 4 point solid line for strength 4 is very strong. So here is the visualization which we have created. So the main is that is the student here and the people around, and the strength between them shows the lines. So as we can see, the strongest relationship, which is the family, father, mother, sister and all, will come in the dark line, and you can see here and as Robert, Ram, Balaji and Singh belong to the student's family, and so they are in green. As I can say, like I have created here the colors as green is for family and yellow is for friends, which is the close friends, and for friends here students' friends are also taken, and there are some mutual, like the friends are like having some mutual friends to the close friends and little distant friends, and the casual friends are just like hi bye relationship. They are not that close. They are actually a little far. So if we come to our visualization, there is connection between each of them to the student, and the connection says whether it is strong or weak or average or very strong depending upon how it is created. And the color also decides. The green is for family, yellow is for close friends, red is for friends, and blue is for casual friends. Here, coming to the first part, as we can see, the data visualization plays the most important part in visualizing the relationship between any values or any people or certain entities. So, as here, it's very important for us to know the people who are connected to the student in a which way and how strong he is connected to the people and how he is socializing. As we see, according to psychology also, this graph, this visualization is very important because through this you can know his mental status, like how he is maintaining good relationship with the others and how the student is socializing, how the student is having a good bonding with others. According to this feedback, he can increase his friendship and he should increase his circle with a good communication skills. Coming to the second part, as this part, the question focuses on exploring the large dataset with Tableau. Generally, the dataset which the Tableau will use is small datasets, and also you can use the large datasets. For example, here we have the dataset which is above 1 gigabyte memory. So here the dataset which we have given is crime data. The dataset is enormous, containing 6 million records. The case number is changed out from measurement to cause to get exact outcomes. First question is, what are the FBI codes? So these are the FBI codes 01A, 01B, 02, 03 and so on. And here it gives primary type and count ID of each primary type. And second question is, what are the primary types of crime? The primary types of crime are arson, assault, battery, burglary, concealed car, crime, sexual assault, criminal damage, etc. So the third question is, count the number of cases for each FBI code collected in the dataset. So this is the visualization which demonstrates the vertical bar chart, the number of cases for every FBI code. It is obviously apparent that the FBI code number 06 had the most number of cases under it. For example, 1210785 and the FBI code number 01B had the minimum number of cases under it. Also, FBI code 0608B 14 18 26 represented 65% of total cases which we have noticed. The fourth question is the total number of cases, criminal cases, for which primary type of crime collected in the dataset. So this is the visualization for that, which demonstrates the quantity of arguments against every essential sort of wrongdoing. which is crimes. Unmistakably, robberies have the most elevated number. So the theft, which are also called as robberies, have the most elevated number of cases of about 1.2 million. And next comes battery, criminal damage, narcotics, domestic violence at only one case. So now visualizing the FBI codes and primary types of crime in the same chart. So it can be clearly observed that the above bar chart that each of the primary types of crime is associated with at least one FBI code. FBI code 26 had the most number of crimes associated with it. Deceptive practice is two, 4 FBI codes. FBI code 06 had the highest number of cases associated with it, with theft cases. Coming to the fifth one, the period of time that the data has collected trend to committing a crime in the USA during this period of time. So, this is the visualization which shows the trend of the crime rate in USA since 2000 year. Data has been gathered from 2001 to 2015. It very well may be seen that the number of crimes declined with the expansion of year. Year 2002 has the most number of crimes with 486,683. The pattern starts with increase in number of crimes from year 2001 to 2002, and from the point on the quantity of violations dropped till 2014. There has been a precarious drop of crimes from 2014 to 2015. Here I am showing some of the other visualizations which are not there in report, but even this seems good. This is the primary types of crime with respect to FBI code. Here is the FBI code visualization. And here comes the primary type of crime which is shown here. And here is the prime type. This is for the prime type of the crime with respect to FBI code. Here is the FBI code versus case number, primary type versus case number. Here is year and primary type. Here is the trend, the rate. Here comes year, date versus count of the ID. And here it shows trends. Beautiful graph. And here it is. Year-wise count of ID. So this is part 2, which is visualization of large data set using Tableau. Thank you.